Hey everyone, in this video, we will learn about how to customize opportunity cards in pipelines. You'll have a pipeline here where you will have lots of opportunities. And in this video, I will show you how you can edit the view of these cards. So right now it says the name, the business name, the opportunity value. You can obviously add more stuff to it. And that's exactly what we're going to see. But first, let's learn about something called opportunity custom fields. So they're custom fields that are tied to the opportunity. We know there are custom fields in GoHighLevel that you can create for a contact where you can store information and add them to forms, surveys, etc., etc. But opportunity custom fields are special type of custom fields that are not tied to the contact. Instead, they are tied to the opportunity. So if a contact is a part of the pipeline, they become an opportunity. This is a contact, but this is also an opportunity under the new leads stage. That's why this opportunity can have custom fields. And if we go to settings, if we go under custom fields, you can create custom fields for opportunities as well. So let's go ahead and go to opportunity details. These are opportunity custom fields, and you can add more fields. If you want to add a custom field for opportunity, call single line gender. Instead of a contact field, it will be an opportunity field. And then we can just add under opportunity details. So this is how you can create custom fields for opportunities. I will share another video link in this description where I have covered opportunity custom fields and how to update them in detail. They're just a property or an attribute of the opportunity instead of it being a contact. So right now, this is my opportunity. If I click on it, I can definitely see more details, but without clicking on it, I want to see a lot more stuff to it. So for that, I can just go to manage fields. Here, you can define whatever you want to see. So I definitely want to see the opportunity name, which is the name of the contact. I want to see the business name. I want to see the opportunity source. And I can see up to 6 different fields without the opportunity name. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can add more fields, but in total, I can add 6 fields. Excluding this one. Let's say I don't want to see the opportunity lost region. I don't want to see the owner. Instead, I want to go to the opportunity details where I'm adding a lot of custom fields. I want to see the custom field called. Okay, that's more like it. So I refreshed the page and it brought up my field that I just created in this video. So I want to see gender. Again, I don't want to see because I refreshed. These were also gone. I don't want to see the opportunity owner. So I want to see opportunity name, business name, opportunity source, where it came from, value, and then also gender. I want to see the service needed. Let's say this was also another opportunity custom field that I created earlier. Once I do this, I'll hit add, confirm, add it to all the pipelines. Now it hasn't changed. Why is that? Because they don't have values in those custom fields. So let's say for Clarence, I click on the opportunity, I change it to roofing repair, and then I want to add gender to male. Now, because I have values in these custom fields and both of them are mentioned to be shown in the card, they will update here. So now if I refresh the page, there we go. So for Jordan, because I updated these fields, it is showing up on the card. Whatever you add, it's just an empty field. There's no point in showing that. So this is how you customize opportunity custom fields. And if you want to see how to update opportunity custom fields from contact fields automatically, there's another video. You'll find that in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to share. I hope this was useful and I will see you in the next one.